let's have some coffee, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I really wanted to share with you guys my top favorite falsies from the drugstore. I love a good lash for an everyday look. The ones I'm currently wearing are my current favorite. I love these lashes and I've gotten so many people complimenting them. I always get people asking me what lashes I'm wearing when I wear these. I think they are super bomb, so I'm going to share with you guys what lashes I'm currently wearing at the end of the video, so stay tuned. If you love these type of videos, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and let's jump into the video. Okay, so we are gonna go ahead and start with the very first one. Now these are a must if you are a beginner, if you love to wear lashes every single day or very often. These are a must for everybody. I don't care if you are a pro at lashes, I don't care if you are a beginner, I don't care if you don't know how to put them on. You can learn with these, and I recommend these 100%. Clearly it's the exact same thing. This is just this is a new packaging that they have. These are number 11 from Kiss, and I actually got the pack that comes with 5 because I go through these so much. I think this is like my 5th pack of 5s. Honestly, I recommend these so much. They're very lightweight. They give you this natural wispy look. You don't even have to put on mascara. It's like if you want to wear lashes to work, if you have just small lashes and you don't want to put mascara on, I recommend these. These are so good. Again, they feel very lightweight. They look super natural. They look like you're wearing eyelash extensions, so I definitely recommend. You guys, I go through these very fast. I like it because in the inner corner they're short and then they get a little bit long. It's just the perfect natural lash look. So I always recommend these, and I always have some in stock because if I have to put on lashes, it's either the ones I'm wearing right now or these that are super natural. So that's the first one that I recommend. I had to start with that one. Now the second one is also from Kiss. Now 4 of them out of 5 are from Kiss, and that's just random because these are my current favorite. I ended up with a bunch of Kiss lashes, but other than that, I have a variety of different lashes. I also have high-end lashes, which I couldn't include here, but for drugstore, Kiss is my go-to, Ardell is my go-to, but right now we only have Kiss for current favorites, and Cashmere is another favorite. Now, here's the thing. You can have very natural everyday lashes, and remember that everyday lashes for everybody is different. For me, I like lashes that have volume, and then I like natural lashes for an everyday look. Either because I'm not going to put a lot of eyeshadow and I want the lashes, like I love a natural makeup look with pretty voluminous lashes where the lashes are just so dark, they're long, and they look so pretty, and the lashes make the statement. Does that make sense? So Cashmere is definitely that. They have a volume. They also have a curl to these lashes. This is actually my second pair of Cashmere, and definitely these, you have to cut them if your eyes are my size or smaller. But I really like these. I think that they just make a statement. You are wearing very simple makeup. These are great. Definitely recommend. The third pair is a lash that I found actually on TikTok a while back. A girl recommended these because everybody kept telling her that her eyelashes look like lash extensions, and she was like, you guys would be surprised that I'm not wearing lash extensions, I'm actually wearing eyelashes. I think this is the pair that I found from the Lash Couture line from Kiss. And then I started experimenting with some other ones, and this is Royal Silk. Your lashes will look like lash extensions with these. I like that the band on these are dark because it helps out with the eyeliner a lot, at least for me. These are not as dark as Cashmere. I'm going to put a picture on the screen of every single style just so you guys can see them better, because some of these are used already and they look like they've been through it, because they have. But Royal Silk, these are longer. They have a curl to them, but they look more natural than the other ones, and they're still very dark and very pretty. And this is a good lash if you want that eyelash extension look for you. Now the next pair of lashes is Chiffon, also from the same collection, Lash Couture from Kiss. These are super pretty as well. They are very fluffy. They have a lot of volume, so I like these when I'm literally wearing no eyeshadow and just eyeliner, because they have a lot of volume and they make a huge statement on your eyes, but they're also like that everyday look. You know, you can have very simple makeup and then your eyelashes can make it seem like you tried super hard and they just make a statement, like I said with the other ones. So I really like these because they're also shorter in the inner corner and then they get longer. But these are very pretty. They have like a very flexible band. These are actually pretty cool because they can make a statement if you have eyeshadow on or if you don't, because of the volume that they have. I think these are super cool. And the good thing about these lashes, never forget, you can curl your lashes once you have them on or even before. I know a lot of girls curl them, so sometimes when you see eyelashes on somebody, they look like the ones that I saw on TikTok, which were, I think, these, the royal silk. The girl had them curled on her eyes and they look super different compared to this. So you could always curl the lashes as well. And the very last ones are from Arimica. These are from Amazon and the style number for these are B806. These are only $6.99 on Amazon. I remember I found these through an old coworker that would wear lashes all the time, and she shared the link with me, and these are the ones I'm actually wearing right now. These have a lot of volume, they're very fluffy, and they have a curl to them. These are so pretty. I have them on, and I always use these. These are my favorite lashes right now, and obviously on Amazon you could get them in 2 days. I actually ordered 2 pairs the last time I ordered them, and I've used almost all of them. You can use them 10 to 15 times. It just depends how good you take care of your lashes. You have to clean them, take off the glue, and make sure that they keep their form. But honestly, these are the best lashes on Amazon. I could go ahead and attach the link to these, but this is the brand, and I'll put the picture. They have a lot of different styles. I've also used style, I don't think I have it here. They sell you 3 different styles for $17.99, or you could buy each style separately for like $6 or $7, which is also good. So if you take anything from these lashes, I would recommend these, the ones from Amazon. They are so good and they definitely make a statement with your makeup. That is it for this video. I hope you enjoy my top 5 favorite lashes. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.